whilst, aboard, amid, behind, notwithstanding, abound, adjoin, agonize, alienate, align, allege, alleviate, anchor, angle, appall, apprentice, apt to, automatic, awe, bald, batter, bequeath, blister, bloom, brainwash, bribe, brief, buffer, bulk up, bypass, campaign, cast, chart, charter, chauffe, chill, chisel, churn, circulate, cite, class, clinch, clutch, clutter, collaborate, commend, commission, compel, comply, comprise, con, conceive, concur, condition, confide, conform, congregate, conjure, conserve, contest, contract, convict, craft, crave, crumble, daunt, daydream, debut, degrade, depict, desert, detest, digitalize, discard, dislodge, dismay, dispense, dissect, dither, diverge, domesticate, drill, drive, elaborate, elevate, elongate, elude, embark, engineer, engross, envisage, evoke, exert, exhaust, exhilarate, expedite, expire, exploit, fiddle, firm, flatter, flick, flourish, forfeit, formulate, frost, fuse, gate, glean, gnaw, graft, ground, grumble, gush, hack, haggle, harass, harbor, harvest, heighten, hibernate, honk, house, humble, immortalize, impede, impersonate, implicate, induct, innovate, institute, interject, intuit, isolate, jog, landscape, lapse, lodge, loom, malfunction, man, maneuver, manicure, marvel, mingle, misplace, munch, neutralize, numb, oblige, obscure, orphan, overdraft, oversee, pace, paddle, perfect, perpetuate, persecute, personalize, pertain to, pioneer, plague, plaster, plummet, plunge, portray, pose, pounce, preach, profess, proliferate, prop, provoke, prowl, puzzle, query, whip, rally, reap, reassure, recharge, recite, rediscover, reenact, refresh, refurbish, relapse, reminisce, render, repel, repute, resent, resonate, resort, retrace, revere, rotate, rumble, rustle, sacrifice, salivate, salvage, scoff, scrutinize, sedate, shed, shortlist, signal, slack, snooze, somersault, speculate, splatter, sprawl, sprout, squander, stagger, stiffen, stock, stoke, strap, stray, suffice, swap, tailor, tangle, tinker, tone, torment, transfix, tune, turn to, twitch, unplug, unsettle, untangle, venerate, ventilate, voice, woo, wrangle, wrench, absolute, abstraction, acoustics, acre, adrenaline, adversary, alignment, allegation, altruism, amateur, amplification, anthropologist, anthropology, antics, antiquity, appliance, apprentice, apprenticeship, aquarium, assertion, batter, battery, billiards, blankness, bliss, blister, blockbuster, boast, bouquet, brainwashing, bribe, bribery, buffer, buffoon, bulk, burst, buzzer, calf, calorie, canoe, carpenter, carpentry, carrier, cast, cavity, cessation, characterization, charter, chauffe, chill, circulation, citation, plan, claustrophobia, cleverness, climax, cloak, closeness, clutch, clutter, collaboration, collaborator, commendation, commission, complexity, compliance, compulsion, con, concerto, confinement, conformity, connoisseur, conservatory, constraint, consultancy, consultation, continuity, contractor, convict, conviction, core, coverage, craving, credential, credibility, criteria, crumb, cynic, cynicism, darkroom, daydream, debut, deceit, degradation, demise, demo, demographic, demography, demolition, dependent, depiction, deprivation, descent, desertion, detriment, detritus, devotee, digitalization, discourse, disdain, disillusionment, dismay, dispensary, dissection, divergence, diversity, domestication, domination, dramatist, drawback, drill, drive, durable, duration, eccentric, eclectic, ecstasy, ego, elaboration, elastic, elevation, elitist, endorsement, estimation, exhibitionist, exhilaration, exodus, expedition, exploitation, exterior, extortion, extravagance, exuberance, facial, facilitation, faction, fanatic, farce, fatality, fatigue, fiddle, fiddler, fiend, firewall, fisher, fixture, flashback, flask, flattery, flicker, flourish, folktale, formality, fossil, fraction, fragmentation, fusion, gadget, gem, genome, gig, goose, gourmet, grapefruit, grounds, 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 gush, gusto, gypsy, hack, hanging, harassment, hedgehog, heifer, heroin, hibernation, honk, hostess, hostility, hypocrisy, hypocrite, imp, impediment, imperative, impersonation, impersonator, incision, incisor, inclusion, individuality, induction, ingenuity, inheritance, injustice, innovation, insubordination, intellect, interjection, intuition, invoice, irony, itinerary, jersey, jurisdiction, juvenile, lap, lapse, launch, lavatory, legacy, lethargy, liaison, likelihood, lust, magnetism, maneuver, manicure, manipulation, markup, mechanism, midwife, minutia, monotony, mountaineer, mythology, naivety, naturalness, nature, neutralization, niche, norms, occupant, oddity, offspring, orchard, otter, outset, overalls, overdraft, overseer, panorama, parasite, pathos, paywall, peacock, peasant, pedicure, pendulum, peninsula, persecution, personalization, personification, physicality, physique, pigeon, pinnacle, pioneer, plaque, plaster, plausibility, ploy, plumbing, plunge, poetess, poise, popularization, portable, portrayal, possessor, posture, preacher, precision, predecessor, premier, premise, premises, professionalism, prop, prophet, protagonist, provisions, psyche, psychiatrist, pupil, purity, quarry, quest, quip, quirk, quirky, radiator, rapport, rarity, realism, realist, reassurance, recall, recess, recess, recollection, refurbishment, relapse, remorse, rendering, renown, repellent, repertory, resilience, resin, resort, respite, restoration, retention, roundup, rudiments, rumble, rustle, ruthlessness, sacrifice, saloon, salvation, salve, sanctity, sap, sarcasm, sauna, scenario, scorn, scramble, screenplay, screenwriter, scrutiny, seedling, self-worth, sentiment, sequel, sadi, shambles, shortlist, silhouette, simplicity, sketch, sketchbook, slack, slob, snail, socialization, somersault, specification, specimen, speculation, sponsorship, sprawl, sprout, stamina, staple, stimuli, strap, stray, stretching, stuffiness, subordinate, suburbia, succession, succulent, suds, suitor, suspension, swap, synopsis, tact, tailor, tangle, tantrum, taste bud, temperament, terrain, testament, till, tinker, tune, torment, toughness, tract, trampoline, tranquility, transit, trauma, tread, turmoil, twitch, tycoon, uniformity, unison, upheaval, usher, utensil, vegetation, veneration, ventilation, veranda, verdict, versatility, verve, vitality, wares, washtub, waterfront, wayside, wing, withdrawal, accustomed, acidic, acoustic, adjoining, adjustable, advantageous, advisory, aesthetic, agreeable, aimless, altruistic, amateur, anchored, anticlimactic, antiquated, appalling, apprehensive, apt, aqua, atmospheric, avid, battered, battered, bearded, beguiling, benign, bubbly, bulky, bureaucratic, candid, ceaseless, chilly, chiseled, clammy, classy, claustrophobic, climactic, clinical, collaborative, complementary, compliant, complementary, compromised, conceivable, conditional, conscientious, contested, contextual, convoluted, cost-effective, coupled, creamy, credible, crude, customary, cynical, daunting, degrading, demographic, detestable, detrimental, dismal, dispensable, disquieting, divergent, docile, dominant, durable, dutiful, eccentric, eclectic, ecstatic, effortless, elaborate, elastic, elusive, engrossing, enterprising, ethical, exhilarating, exotic, explanatory, exuberant, facial, fanatic, fanciful, ferocious, fiddly, fiendish, fit, forensic, frosty, geological, ghostly, glum, gourmet, ruling, gruesome, gushing, gutsy, headstrong, homely, hostile, humble, hypocritical, immense, imperative, impersonal, impervious, impish, impoverished, inclusive, indefinite, indispensable, inexcusable, inexhaustible, inexplicable, ingenious, inherent, innovative, insecure, insensitive, insightful, instinctive, insubordinate, integral, intuitive, irate, isolated, Jersey, juvenile, knowledgeable, lackluster, latent, lethargic, limitless, linear, ludicrous, macabre, magnetic, marginal, maternal, maternalistic, meaningless, methodical, monotonous, motley, muscular, mythological, naive, neglectful, negligent, negligible, nocturnal, nondescript, notable, numb, obscure, occupational, organizational, ornamental, panoramic, paternal, paternalistic, pendulous, perceptive, pertinent, phenomenal, placid, plausible, pleasurable, portable, premier, privileged, profound, prohibitive, prolific, prophetic, perspective, provocative, psychiatric, quirky, raunchy, readable, recessive, recognizable, refreshing, remedial, reminiscent, remorseless, removed, repellent, resilient, restorative, revealing, rich, riveting, robust, rudimentary, ruthless, sarcastic, scathing, scornful, sedate, sedentary, self-conscious, sentient, sentimental, showy, slack, smug, somber, spacious, Spartan, speculative, spontaneous, staccato, staggering, startling, stately, strapping, stray, structural, stuffy, stylistic, suburban, succulent, superficial, supple, sustainable, symptomatic, synthetic, tactful, talkative, tangled, tantamount, taut, tedious, telltale, temperamental, timid, torturous, tranquil, transatlantic, traumatic, trying, unassisted, unconventional, unconvincing, undaunted, unenviable, uneventful, uninspiring, unmanageable, unmanned, unmusical, unoccupied, unscathing, unsettling, unsustainable, untangled, unwavering, versatile, vertical, vicious, victorious, violent, voluntary, voracious, wary, wicked, withdrawn, wizened, wooded, wry, zany, acoustically, acutely, aesthetically, endlessly, amply, animatedly, appallingly, artistically, astray, automatically, baldly, beforehand, beguilingly, believably, benignly, blithely, bureaucratically, candidly, ceaselessly, chaotically, cleanly, commercially, compliantly, conditionally, conscientiously, contextually, credibly, crudely, cynically, damply, demographically, detrimentally, dismally, docilely, domestically, dominantly, dutifully, dynamically, eccentrically, eclectically, ecstatically, enormously, enviable, ethically, exotically, explosively, exuberantly, fabulously, fanatically, favorably, ferociously, fiendishly, fiercely, frostily, gamely, geologically, glumly, gruesomely, gushingly, hence, hypocritically, immensely, impersonally, impishly, inclusively, indefinitely, inexcusably, inexplicably, inherently, insecurely, insensitively, insightfully, instinctively, insubordinately, intuitively, irately, justly, lethargically, linearly, ludicrously, magnetically, marginally, meaninglessly, monotonously, mutually, naively, negligently, obscurely, ordinarily, perceptively, persuasively, phenomenally, placidly, plausibly, primitively, principally, profoundly, prohibitively, prolifically, provocatively, raunchily, recognizably, refreshingly, reluctantly, remorsefully, remorselessly, remotely, robustly, sarcastically, scornfully, sedately, sentimentally, slackly, smugly, somberly, spontaneously, staccato, startlingly, stressfully, structurally, stuffily, stylistically, substantially, subtly, succulently, superficially, sustainably, synthetically, tactfully, tautly, tediously, temperamentally, thereby, unconvincingly, unenviably, unmusically, unreliably, unsustainably, unwaveringly, viciously, victoriously, voluntarily, voraciously, wickedly, wryly,